When removing a tattoo, is there a mark or a scar? That depends a lot.
Me responde, por favor, cara.
90% of the tattoos that appear here already have a hypertrophic scar or keloid due to the mechanical friction of the needle. As a result, the tattoo artist uses a needle or needles several times. Sometimes it gets crushed, ending up tearing the skin, creating a scar, and here we treat scars too. Now, my tattoo is perfect and I want to remove it. Will it come off completely? I say I can remove it 99%. Never. No one can promise that they will remove it like this, even though we have great results. This is especially true for colored tattoos, which most of the time have a slight dyschromia, because the lasers we use to remove colored tattoos have a slightly shorter wavelength and also have the specific purpose of gluing melanin, so it ends up depigmenting a little bit of the skin so you can keep the figure, but very discreet. If you have any questions, send a message via WhatsApp and our team will be happy to answer you. It costs a kiss.
Terminou o nosso papo.